Once you have chosen which article to edit, click Select and Edit, and all of the article details will appear below. The color/detail is what will appear on the online store. It will be the combined text from the style description and the color/detail. In this case, it would read as training tee red/black. If you want to leave the color/detail blank, you can do so by simply inserting a space using the spacebar. The vendor product code is an internal reference code that the customer cannot see. Here, if needed, you can enter the product code of your vendor so that you can easily remember which vendor product codes to reorder. This vendor product code is also available in the sales reports. The display drop-down determines whether an article is visible to customers. Every time a new article is created, it is defaulted to No, so that customers won't see blank products in your online store. Once you have set your product up, just change it to Yes to make it visible. This is also useful for product launches, where you can create all of the articles in advance and make them visible only when you need them. Allow negative inventory determines whether a product can be displayed if all inventory has been sold and 0 units are left. When set to Yes, it is useful if you're expecting very large pre-orders and intend to arrange the purchase with your supplier after you have these customer orders. Setting this to No will no longer let customers purchase it when it's sold out. Inventory is managed by the platform at a size level and is addressed later in detail. Consolidate in shopping cart is an advanced feature that makes additional orders very easy for customers and enables simple customization of products. Yes is the default setting for most products as they don't need customization. For example, if a customer adds 1 unit to their shopping cart and the Consolidate in shopping cart setting is set to Yes, then when a second unit is added to the shopping cart, the quantity will simply increase to 2. For this tee, Consolidate in shopping cart is set to No, which means a new line will be created in the shopping cart every time that a customer adds it. This is particularly useful for basic customization of products. Let's take a look at an example of how the Consolidate in shopping cart feature works. This product is set to consolidate in the shopping cart. If I add size large adult to my shopping cart, you'll note 1 unit, 1 line. If I go back to the store and I choose the same product again, in the same size, adult large, and click add to cart, it's the same line and it's simply increased the quantity to 2. Now let's look at a product that is not set to consolidate. In this case, it's the training tee. Again, I'll choose size large adult and add it to the cart. As you can see here, we have 1 new line with a quantity of 1. I will put my name here. Let's go back to the store and add the same product again, noting that it is set to not consolidate. We'll choose the same size again and add to cart. And this is the key feature. It has now added a new line, which means in this case, if I had 2 children named Jack and Jill, I can easily customize my product for each. If I wanted to order several units of the same product for Jill, I would simply alter the quantity. And that's how the Consolidate in shopping cart feature works. Having explored Consolidate in Shopping Cart feature, let's continue with the article details. Customer Note Visible changes whether the customer can leave a note for that specific product in the shopping cart. Customer Note Mandatory determines whether the customer is required to enter something into the Customer Note section. Customer Note Text is the text the customer will see in the shopping cart. In this example, you will see player name and number in the shopping cart. If the field is left blank, then the shopping cart will show customer note only. This is an example of what those settings produce. Player name and number, and I cannot continue without entering the player name and number so that I can proceed to checkout. The section for Enable Customer Design is an advanced feature that allows customers to design their own products. This includes custom text and images placed onto a product. This feature requires special configuration by Big League Commerce to enable it. If you would like this feature, please contact us. Stock availability information is displayed in the online store. This is changed in our simple text editor. You can also do things like display the previous RRP. The product description section is a fully functional online editor. Here you can add as much content as you need about the product, including pictures and videos. There is another video detailing how to use the online editor. Once all changes are complete, you need to click the green Save button under the editor. This saves all of the article details. This is different from saving the style details above.